You don't want to get out? Look at that. Almost ran over a nail. Would have been deadly, you feel me? See what we looking like. Excuse me, sir. The lights off. What look like to you? Looking good? Huh? You don't know?
Decent. Haven't I been here before? Today?
No, I just bought it a couple weeks ago. Looking good, actually. Looking real good. Oh yeah, I need to hook up the cameras. I forgot he brought the Wi-Fi, I see. Looking good. I gotta fix that one. I might have to replace that window. Yeah, I might have to replace that. Oh yeah. Looking good. Got the texture situation going. Not to tear your fees though. They're painted over. Let me see your muscles. Let me see how you gonna get it. Okay, there you go. Alright, there you go. You ain't gonna help your brother? Huh? Nah. Bruh. He do got muscles. Your muscles bigger than the Misha's, David? Come on, I got it.
I'm too strong.
Where they put the cameras at? I gotta hook them cameras up. I don't see them. You see them? They over there. Come on, big scrapping young men. Got all them good muscles. You hear me? Look at you. I don't know about you. You look hungry. Kind of skinny. This way. Come on. Say what? Oh yeah? Y'all think I can manage putting them in there? Huh? Let me see. Go ahead. I want to see. Gotta put the seats down first, brother. One step at a time. Put the seats down first. Come on. Yeah. Just saying. You failed part one already. First step, I mean. Come on, big dog. El Padrado, Padrid, whatever you was saying. One at a time. How y'all gonna both put them in there at the same time, man? Teamwork makes the dream work, bro. Let me see if you gonna figure this out. Nah, bro. Turn it up. Turn it up on the long way. Flip it. Flip it. No. Just flip it. Let me show you. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. Like that. There you go. Scrapping young man. Your turn, Mish. Yeah, you need to eat some more potatoes, my good brother. Kind of skinny back there. Okay, you got it? Push the button. Let's roll. Put the buggies back first. Thanks, sir. Yeah. Y'all got it? right, all right. Check out this kitchen. Ooh, the floor's looking good. Yeah, looking real good. Don't step on it. Don't step on it. Yeah. He just laid them today. Yep. Oh, they finally took that stupid looking backsplash off the wall.
Good 4 or 5 houses in Detroit.
It's technically Grosse Pointe. And what you mean, boy? You gotta make it look
All
good.
the houses I've been to in Detroit.
Cause you be going to the ghetto houses. That's why. Stop going in the hood.
Disgusting.
That's cause you ain't going in the right houses. Got the yeah, these look real good. Your boy be. Wait till you put that. Wait till you see that countertop on there though. Ooh wee. That boy gonna be fly. What in the world?
Stack the shoe.
Like them lights, don't you? They ain't that bright though. I don't know. Maybe I should have went with a. I don't know. They alright, I guess. It's cool. It's cool. Watch out for a second. Let me see. Come this way. See how I look with the doors closed. Turn this up. Huh?
The doorknob.
They ain't put them on yet, bro. Calm your nerves. Step back. Get out of my way. Almost done. Almost done. I don't know why they didn't change this door. Being let. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. Y'all bugging. What's up with all these bugs? They did a horrible job over here. What is this?
Door.
Oh man, we're gonna have to hold this. But with this, fix that. I'm about to have a talk about that. They tripping. These windows supposed to be fixed. Why he fix that? Gotta get somebody over here to cut their yard.
I see that pretty good compared to how it was.
Well, yeah, it's good. You understand?
I don't know that thing.
So what? That's the grass?
But all of them, yeah, like, huge bushes and stuff.
I don't know. I wasn't here. I wasn't here at all. But hey, come on, man. You fucking hey.
You just get cold.
Nothing.
You look like veins.
I'm about to have a talk like this.
Unless you don't, I'm dark.
Oh, we gotta take these back too, by the way. So, get prepared. Get your muscles ready. Y'all gonna have to both carry. Well, probably gonna have to help me carry them. I don't want y'all dropping them. I know you think you're strong.